name is Theophil Corsa Osinga, and I'm from Ghana, West Africa. I came to Conestoga College and studied postgrad event management, an amazing program. Canada is the land of the future. Specifically, why Conestoga? I moved to the Waterloo region because of its nature. The Waterloo region has a thriving startup ecosystem. Now, for a young man with global acceleration ideals and a goal to promote African development, what better place to learn than the Silicon Valley of Canada? The postgrad event management program was a one-year program. It was delivered on the Waterloo campus, which is now a state-of-the-art facility. During this program, I had the chance to work with wonderful professors who had hands-on experience in the event business. Throughout the program, we worked on practical projects, holding our own events. All in all, event management program was a comprehensive business education, which treats every single event project as an independent business. This allows you to replicate your skills and try it over and over again because every single event is its own business. Through Conestoga College's Accelerator program, I gained a lot of mentorship and insights, and I'm proud to announce that our startup is about to be launched. Check out ijuma.io for a startup that connects African talent to global opportunities. And all this began at Conestoga College. For one semester, we had to go work as an intern with an event manager of sorts. A lot of volunteer opportunities were constantly being presented to us. So on weekends, you could get the chance to work in an event such as the Oktoberfest Pancake Breakfast. You could work on events like a racing regatta on the Guelph Lake. You could work in an event such as a concert. My most memorable event, and one of the hardest, was a wedding. Weddings are so hard to do. Right when I was done with Conestoga College, actually, I had a job offer before I finished Conestoga College, and I entered my full-time professional career exactly 1 month after finishing Conestoga College. I think it's a good investment.